Welcome back, viewers. From today onwards, we are going to check out a new Linux distribution. The name of the Linux distribution is Mageia. So this is the website https www.mageia.org, and it is the website is available in multiple languages. We have chosen the English one. If you know the history, it is got the starting beginnings from the Mandrake OS. So Mandrake OS was one of the top three Linux distributions way back in between the year 2000 up to I think 2006 or 8, and after that it was bought over. The project was bought over by a French company. The name was changed to Mandriva. Then it became Open Mandriva. Then some of the employees started this Linux distribution Mageia. So it has got some similarities with the Mandrake OS, and if you are a lover of Mandrake OS, you will definitely like this Mageia OS. So let us check out. So on this main page, there is a about us section, downloads is there, support is there, wiki is also there, docs are there, community is there, contribute page is there, donate, you, and contact. And here there's some short introduction is given to the Mageia. So it is a stable, secure operating system for desktop as well as server. There is a lot of free software available, co-produced by hundreds of people. The Mageia organization is a elected governance type with a non-profit. So the organization is non-profit and it has got elected governance, and you can also be part of it and you can get involved in the next version. And this is the direct link to download the Mageia 9. So this is the current version right now. It was released in August 2023. If you head over to the about us section, it will give us a brief history. So Mageia is a GNU Linux based free software operating system. It is a community project supported by a non-profit organization of elected contributors. Our mission is to build great tools for the people. So it was started in September 2010 as a fork of Mandriva Linux. It gathered hundreds of careful individuals and several companies worldwide who co-produce the infrastructure, the distribution itself, documentation, delivery, support using the free software tools. And it has till date released 8 major stable releases. First was in 2011, then 2012, 13, 14, 15, 17, 19, and finally in 2021. And the latest Mageia 9 is released this year in 2023. So Mageia ORG is a French Paris-based legal structure supporting the Mageia project. So you can read the legal constitution and governance rules of the Mageia.org, and also you can access the financial reports and donators. Now the Mageia lessons is also given here: code of conduct, policies, values, Mageia history archive. So you can check out about a list of Mageia founders, the Mageia project announcements, starting way back from the September 2010 till date. And also you can check out the logos, CD cover files, and media files. So this is all regarding the media and artwork for the Mageia project. In the download section, you can download the ISO in 3 formats. So you can have a classic installation, you can have a live media installation, and also you can do a network installation. And if you check out, you see both 32-bit as well as 64-bit is available. And in the live media covers Plasma desktop, Enum desktop, and the XFC desktop. I think other desktops might also be available. Then you have got the network installer with free software CD and a non-free firmware CDs. So there are 2 CDs. So free software CD network installation will only have the free software, free firmware. So the proprietary software will not be included, whereas in the non-free firmware CD you will get the free as well as the non-free. So both are available, and there are some release notes, know about the known issues, limitation in installation usage, which to choose, get ISO on a USB flash drive, how to flash the ISO on a USB drive. There is a wiki page for the newcomers, you can help us on Mageia 9. There are some alternative downloads. Let us check out the alternative downloads. Here you can see, you can check out, these are the different downloaders available. So net install non-free 64-bit, net install non-free 32-bit, then net install 32-bit is also available. So these three desktops are available. So XFC is available in 64-bit as well as 32-bit, while Plasma and Gnome are only available in the 64-bit. And there is a standard or the classic installer with 64-bit as well as 32-bit. And you can see the size of the installation. So the classic installer is quite heavy because it will contain lot many softwares. Live is comparatively smaller in size, and the net installer, you can see the 64-bit net install is just 70 MB in size, while the non-free net installer comes with 122 MB and the non-free 32-bit installer comes with 100 MB, while the net install 32-bit is just 48 MB in size. And there is also the test release which you can try out. So this will be the Mageia 10. So this is the name, code name for the new Mageia release under testing. And also you can download and use the older releases also. So if you go for very old release, then of course the support might not be there, but you can use the previous release. So there will be support that is ongoing. You can see a lot many old installers are there. Mageia 5.1 is there, 4.1 is also there, 3, 2, and even Mageia 1 is there. So that's great. So if you've got very ancient system, you can try out the different older releases ISO, and you can use the one which is working perfectly on your ancient system. Now in the support section, wait a moment. First we will go back. Yes. So upgrading from Mageia 8, there is instructions to not to use the live DVDs. So there is an upgrade guide also available here. So here you can check out the different instructions given for upgrading from Mageia 8 to 9. You have to follow this, otherwise the upgrade might fail. And do not use the live media for the upgrade. And there is also method given for the online upgrade using the MGA online. So this is some tool just like Mint upgrade. It is a GUI based tool for the system upgradation. And you can also use the command line using the URPMI method. So this is given. Maybe we should try this out in one of the videos. So I will now go back. Now we will just head over to the support page. So here the documentation, updates, lifecycle, community support, professional support, hardware requirements, everything is given. So generally the processor, any AMD, Intel or VIA processor will work, and minimum RAM requirement is 512 MB, 2 GB is recommended. For headlet systems, minimum 512 will be work okay. For low memory intensive programs and light graphical desktop environments like XFE, minimum is 1 GB. For more feature rich desktops like Gnome and Plasma, minimum is 2 GB. And storage is 5 GB for minimum install, 20 GB for the casual setups. And it will include additionally few GBs for the user files. Custom installation on less space is possible, but this requires intermediate Linux knowledge. Bootable USB port or optical drive capable of using media with the storage capacity of at least 4 GB. So we require a USB drive or optical drive with minimum of 4 GB for the installation. Smaller media capacity used for network install, but a reliable network install connection is required. So if you are using the net installer ISO, then be prepared that the network install connection and installation is working properly and it is quite fast. Otherwise the installation might take ages to complete. And graphic card, any AMD, ATI, Intel, Matrox, Nvidia, SIS or VIA graphic card will work. And for the sound card, any AC97, HDA or the Sound Blaster sound card will work. And here you can file your bug report. So this is the Mageia Bugzilla or the bugs.mageia.org. And now we will go over to the wiki. So this is the wiki. So you get information about the current release, the distribution development, how the distribution planning goes on, features proposal policy, technical specification proposals, the release note for the next release, that is the Mageia 10. Here there are some information for the users like documentation, user forums, communities, commercial services. This is the contributors corner. A selection of useful links is given here. Wiki in other languages also there. So few of the European languages are supported here. And also you can check out the navigation. So you can go to other web pages using this navigation tools given here, and there are some links to the tools. Then in the docs you can check out the documentation here. So there is a manual for control center, manual for the installer, manual for the live media installer, manual for the network installation. So different languages are also supported. So this documentation is available for Mageia 9 and the older Mageia 8. And here the link to the community you can see here. You can check out the Planet blogs, forums. You can join the conversations on IRC, that is Libera chat. You can access the mailing list, forum list, blogs, and you can join the live events from here. And you can also join the teams, the atelier, documentation, packaging, testing and QA, translation, systems and infrastructure administration. Bug squad is there, so you can report the bugs. And you can check out the governance model, code of conduct, values, teams, council, board. You can donate, and you can check out the reports for this project. You can contribute from here. You can meet us on IRC. You can financially support the project. This is the toolbox. So here the wiki, Bugzilla, forums, calendar, and the Mageia applications database there. So if you click here, you can check out which packages are available in the Mageia applications database. And there are some news are there. So these are the latest news in the Mageia world. Then in the further you can check out this. So all this given here, it is there on the top of the page also. And this is the calendar. So this is the Mageia community calendar, and it will show us all the important events in the Mageia world. Here you can see, you can check out the different teams are meeting. For the example, there is a meeting for the packagers, meeting for the QA team. So all the community teams, development teams, whenever they fix a meeting, the meeting will show up here. Then in the contribute section, you can contribute to the Mageia community, to the Mageia OS. You can help test the bugs. You can help test the translation of the manuals and other documents in different languages. You can help with writing, copywriting, documenting, help users and advocating the project. You can help with quality assurance. You can help with marketing, communication, graphic, UI, design, all those things you can do. And then you can donate. So donations are always welcome. So here you can check out how to do the donations using the PayPal, and also you can track your donations. Then in the use section, it is about the user. So you can create your username and password from here, and then you can use that username and password to connect to authenticate yourself with the Mageia world. Then this is the contact page, so you can contact the different who's who in the Mageia project. You can check out the contact the treasurer, the system admin team. Then you can contact the people in different mailing lists, and you can directly contact the Mageia project on this. You can directly access the press releases and all those things using this press at mageia.org. The IRC channel is given. So all those things are there, and we have already downloaded the live media, 64-bit live media. Three desktops I have already downloaded half an hour back, and we will start our review with the installation of the Plasma desktop, and then we will check these three desktops, and after that desktop review is done, we will check out the specific Mageia tools, Mageia control center. So that will be a separate video. So you will enjoy this. We will go in thorough detail like we do in all the Linux distributions. So see you in the next video with the Plasma desktop installation using a live media. So bye bye. See you in the next video.